If you want to learn what is internal linking in SEO content writing, then this video is just for you. Hello everyone and welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. Today in lecture 30, we will delve into the fascinating world of SEO content writing and explore a vital element, what is internal linking. We will demystify internal linking, its purpose and how to use it effectively. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the full makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So let's get started. First we have understanding internal linking. Let's kick things off by understanding what internal linking means in the context of SEO. Internal linking refers to the practice of connecting one page or post on your website to another using hyperlinks. These hyperlinks are usually anchor texts that users can click on to navigate to other relevant pages on your site. But why is this practice essential? Let's explore. The role of internal linking. Internal linking serves several crucial purposes in SEO content writing. Firstly, it helps spread link equity or link juice across your website, enhancing the ranking potential of different pages. Secondly, it aids in navigation, allowing users to find related content easily. Thirdly, it establishes a content hierarchy indicating which pages are more important or relevant. Lastly, it encourages user engagement as readers can explore more of your valuable content. Using internal links effectively. Now that we understand why internal linking matters, let's discuss how to use it effectively. Start by identifying the most relevant anchor text for your links. These should be descriptive and indicative of the linked content. Consider the context and user intent when placing internal links. They should enhance the user experience and provide additional value. Avoid overloading your content with too many internal links which can be distracting or overwhelming. Strive for a natural balance that guides users without disrupting their reading flow. Got it? Now, examples of internal linking. To grasp the concept better, let's look at some examples of internal linking. Example 1. Imagine you are reading a blog about digital cameras, and within the article there are links to related posts about photography tips, camera accessories and reviews. These internal links guide you to more information on topics you are interested in, creating a seamless user experience. Got it? Now, example 2. Suppose you are exploring an online fashion store and you are on a product page for a specific dress. Within the product description, you find links to related pages such as styling tips for that dress, a sizing guide and a page featuring matching accessories. These internal links help you navigate the website efficiently and discover more about the dress and how to wear it stylishly. In conclusion, we can say that internal linking is a fundamental aspect of SEO content writing. It enhances SEO by spreading link equity, aids navigation, establishes hierarchy and boosts user engagement. When used effectively and thoughtfully, internal linking can significantly improve your website's overall performance. So start incorporating internal links in your content to provide value to both search engines and users. Got it? Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques for maximizing your website's visibility and ranking on search engines. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 30, where we discussed what is internal linking in SEO content writing. If you are looking for professional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.